Hi, I am candidate 1 and will do task A. This picture shows the family is gathered around a table covered with colorful papers, scissors, and various craft materials. The parents are actively supporting their children in their projects. The mother appears kind and patient as she leans in and smiles gently while helping her daughter with the crafts. On the other side, the father is gently assisting the other child that holding something colorful. The children wear serious expressions, indicating that they are fully engaged and having fun. The scene suggests a bright, cozy home life and showcasing a happy family. This activity is not only enjoyable but also highly meaningful.
Hi, I am the candidate 2 and I will do the task A first. This picture shows a family enjoying breakfast outdoors. The setting is a bright and cheerful environment with greenery in the background, suggesting they are in a garden or park. The family members appear happy and smiling while raising their glasses, likely in a toast or celebration. On the table, there is a variety of food, including fruits like apples, orange, grapes, as well as bread, sandwiches, and bowls of other items. There are also pitchers of orange juice and water, emphasizing the breakfast theme. Everyone seems engaged, sharing a moment of togetherness and enjoyment. This scene highlights a positive and relaxed atmosphere where family bonds are celebrated.
Hi, so we need to choose the best gift for her to take to the cold country. There are so many options here. Which one do you think is the best?
I think we should look at all the options first. Let's start with the mug. It has a nice winter design and she can use it for hot drinks like coffee or tea. Those are perfect for warming up in a cold weather.
That's true. A mug is practical and comforting, but don't you think it's a bit bulky to carry? Plus, she could easily buy one when she gets here.
You're right, it might not be the most practical gift to pack. What about the umbrella? It could be helpful if it rains a lot in a cold country, right?
An umbrella is useful, but I don't think it's the best option. It's more for rain than snow, and many umbrellas don't work well in strong winds, which are common in cold countries.
That's a good point, Ziha. Now let's talk about the boots. These are definitely essential in a cold country, especially if there is snow or ice. Good boots will keep her feet warm and prevent her from slipping.
I agree, warm boots are a great idea, but they can be tricky to give. She might already have boots, or we might not know her shoe size.
True, that could be a problem. What about the photo frame? It's not practical for the weather, but it is sentimental. She could keep it in her room to remind her of her friends and family.
That's a sweet idea. However, a photo frame might feel less useful when she's preparing for the cold. She can always take a digital photo on her phone instead.
I agree with you. Now, what about the winter clothing in the suitcase? Warm sweaters and jackets are a must in a cold country. If her friends know her size, this could be a great gift.
Definitely, but she might already have packed winter clothes, especially since she's moving there for 6 months. We need to make sure we're not giving her duplicates.
I couldn't agree more. Let's move on to the pants set. It looks elegant and professional, but I don't think it's very useful for surviving in the cold.
I agree, it's a thoughtful gift, but it doesn't really help her adapt to the weather. What about the sunglasses? People forget that the sun can be very bright, even in snowy areas.
That's a good point. Sunglasses could be helpful, but I don't think they are as essential as some things that keeps her warm.
I agree. Lastly, let's talk about the winter accessories, like the hat, scarf, and gloves. These are small, lightweight, and definitely useful in freezing weather.
Yes, they are practical and easy to pack. Plus, she can wear them every day. I think this is the best gift because it's both thoughtful and functional for her.
I agree. The hat, scarf, and gloves would keep her warm and remind her of her friends whenever she wears them. Let's choose this as the best gift.